Hello, good evening. And now we're going to bake banana muffin. Okay? Okay, banana muffin. First, we don't need, of course, ngayon, ng hand mixer or electric mixer. We only need fork because I don't have wire whisk right now. Especially, ang major ingredient natin ay ito. Okay, banana. Banana. We have 5 overripe bananas. This is medium size because in US, their Cavendish is so bigger than this, twice as big as this. So we are going to mash this. Okay, let's start this. Okay, this also the flour. We need 1 3/4 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of Himalayan salt. And we need 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 2 eggs, okay, 2 whole eggs, and 1 cup of muscovado sugar, and 1 cup of melted butter. Matatapon siya. And also, we need 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Okay. See that? Okay. Vanilla extract. We need to first, syempre, mix all the dry ingredients. The salt and the baking soda. Okay. And the cinnamon powder. Okay. Those who don't like cinnamon, it's okay not to put cinnamon on it. Okay. Since we don't have wire whisk, we can mix this by fork, of course. Ito yung pinakamadaling gawin na bread. Lalo na kung masasayang lang yung hinog na banana ninyo, gawin yung banana bread. And first, after you mix all these dry ingredients, you need to mash the banana. Okay, you set this aside. And you will mash the banana now. It's so simple, like this. Okay, all the ripe. Ito yung nagpapatamis kapag hinog. Okay, hinog na hinog. At saka yung amoy niya, sobrang bango sa kusina kapag nakasalang na to sa oven. Alisin natin itong parang sinulid ng banana. Okay, mash it more. And then, pwede nyo nga pala itong ilagay sa ref kasi moist to. And then, kung gusto niyo naman nang kainin siya ng warm, i-microwave siya ng 30 seconds. Yung naka-slice na. Kung kakainin niyo na with coffee, of course. Breakfast niyo, kaya snack, baon ng bata, di ba? Ngayon maulan, so masarap magkape bago matulog. Kape and banana bread. Nagkakape and banana bread ko. And now, ganito lang kamash. Huwag masyadong durog na durog kasi magtutubig naman siya. Okay na. Then, we will beat the egg slightly. Huwag masyadong beat. Okay, ganito lang. Then, ipo-pour na natin siya dito. Okay. And also, the sugar. Okay, mix nyo lang. So, pag ganito naman malaki ang imahalo natin, we can use the spatula. Okay. Itong muscovado, marami siyang buo-buo. So, i-mash nyo lang siya sa gilid-gilid. Yan, daan nyo lang siya sa gilid. Okay. Gilid-gilid lang. Ayan, tabi-tabi lang po. Okay. Then, you add the melted butter. Okay. Ito yung nagpapa-moist. Yung iba ginagamit vegetable oil. So, ito naman ay unsalted butter na melted. Minicrowave ko lang siya ng 60% at 1 minute and 30 seconds. Okay. So, ayan. May nakikita kayong buo-buo. I-mash nyo lang siya sa gilid. Yan yung natitirang mga sugar and yung konting banana, of course. And then, i-mix nyo na rin ang vanilla. Ayun, okay na yun. Mga ganon. 1 teaspoon dapat, okay? Pero kung gusto nyo ng masyadong strong scent, didagdagan nyo pa. Pero okay na yan. 1 teaspoon is enough. And then, we will mix now the dry ingredients. The all-purpose flour, the baking soda, the salt, and the baking powder. Correction nga pala dun sa measurement ng baking soda and salt. 1/4 lang yun, ha. 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Okay? Yeah. You can add walnuts if you want or cashew nuts. Pero wala akong available na. Ngayon, ang pagbe-bake ko nga pala, kung ano lang available ko na ingredients na meron ako sa ref or sa pantry cabinet. Hindi ako mag-e-effort na bibili ng mahal para lang mag-bake. So, ano lang available. Kahit request pa ng mga anak ko yan. Basta kung ano lang available. Ganon. Siguro next time na meron akong nabiling Hershey's dark, no, it's not dark. Hershey's cocoa powder. Next time, I will bake brownies naman. Okay? For that. And now, we're going to add the dry ingredients. Okay? Konti-konti muna. Para mahalo nyo mabuti. Okay? Ganyan. Okay? Madali itong lutuin na bread. Kayang-kaya nyo itong gawin. Hindi nyo kailangan bumili ng mixer, hindi nyo kailangan bumili ng stand mixer. Kahit tinidor lang, pwede na. So, mahilig sa banana bread, at request ni Margie Chico, eto na po, ang banana bread nyo. Next time, kung ano man yung request nyo, comment down below kung ano gusto nyo i-bake ko. So, yung mga nagre-request ng cheesecake, next time na yon kasi wala pa akong available na cheese. Kung makakita ko na malaki-laking cheese sa market, sige, I'll buy it. But this time, kung ano muna po ang available sa bahay namin, sa kusina. Eto, ganito lang po. Huwag pong masyadong haluin mabuti kasi magtutubig. Okay na po to. Basta wala na pong dry na all-purpose flour. We can put now in the loaf pan. Ito po yung loaf pan ko. Ito po siya. Lalagyan po natin siya ng konting butter kasi wala po akong parchment paper. And ito po naman yung isa na ginagamit ko for muffin. Silicone rubber. Or instead of muffin paper cups, ito po ang gamit ko. Okay. So, scrape po na natin yung mga natira-tira. And then, we're going to bake this for about 20 to 25 minutes. And at around 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. Ito na. I-bake na natin siya. Salang na natin sa Okay, we will turn on the lights. Okay. Ito ay ready to pick up na. Kapag ang toothpick ay pag-angat natin ay wala nang didikit, ibig sabihin luto na. Pero pag may dumikit-dikit pa, konti pa. Ayan, meron pa. Mga 5 minutes more. Finally, it's done. Let it sit for 1 minute in the tray. And then we will cool it up now at the cooling rack. Okay. So, I think it's 1 minute already. It's almost done. We'll pull it up around 2 to 3 minutes or 5 before we taste it, and we will be right back for good tasting. Look at this, it's so nice, right? And the bottom, hindi siya sunog. Okay, and now we will try the muffin. If it's really good. Smells like cinnamon and the vanilla. Kape tayo with banana muffin. soft. Ang sugar. Okay. Ang masasabi ko, perfectly done. And kaya ako naisip na i-muffin na lang if you already tried baking this banana muffin. Anong ginamit nyo? Nag-pork lang ba kayo? Nag-watery ba kayo? Nag-electric mixer ba kayo? Pero I suggest pork lang kasi pag overmix, hindi siya ganito. Okay? Pwede nyo nga palang itago to sa kahit ziplock lang. Then, lagay sa rep. Tapos bukas init nyo ng microwave. Pwede rin naman malamig. Kung anong prefer yung temperatura. Tagalog, ano. Na kainin ng banana muffin. So, be it. And I would like to take this opportunity na magpasalamat sa lahat na nag-subscribe. Kahit na 30 pa lang kayo. Thank you. Thank you very much.